what's your name?
Ashley. I'm beautiful.
Want to hear a knock-knock joke?
Sure.
Knock-knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Boo, why are you crying?
I'm not...
Yay.
Yeah, that was funny. What do you call that joke?
Boo-hoo. So, Ashley, tell me about your life.
Well, my life is so small. I mean, coots have to help me all the time. I'm so small that I have to go in a wheelchair. I don't have any legs. I have arms, though. But even when I go in the bathroom, coots have to help me on the toilet so I don't fall off and I don't fall in. Because I don't want my hiney getting all wet. I mean, how can you say that? Well, never mind. Okay, what did you want to ask me again?
How your life is.
I already said how it is, mister. What's your name?
Brian.
Well, Mr. Brian, what next question are you going to ask me? 'Cause you already asked me too. What's your name and how's your life? At least I think. Next question.
Yeah. So, how old are you?
I am, I don't know how old I am. My parents never told me. Because, even when I was born, I don't even know numbers. Because, well, I know my friend is 13, but I don't even know how old I am. My friends always ask me, how old are you? And I don't know. So, well, that's some of my life. Next question.
Have you learned how to pee?
Excuse me?
Do you know how to pee?
Well, old coots have to help me. They have to squeeze my teeny tiny bladder.
Oh.
It's very hard work.
So do you have
Especially
legs?
when I go poop. No, I already told you that. I have to ride in a wheelchair. Oh, turn the camera off.
Do it now.
Do it now.
So, what tribe are you from?
I'm a molehead, and all my family members have been disintegrated. So that's some
You're
of my life too.
A molarhead, is that right?
A molehead.
So, what's your favorite color, Michelle?
I'm Ashley.
Yeah. So, what's your favorite color, Ashley? What's your favorite color? Shut up and answer the question.
I need to turn upside down for a sec. Oh.
Still, ma'am, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue blah.
And what color is that? Is that
Blue blah.
Is that blue?
Blue blah.
What?
It's not blue. I haven't even heard of that color before.
Well, you're an idiot.
What's that? It's Scotch tape.
Stupid producer.
Stupid.
Say it loud.
Stupid producer.
Oh! So, how's the world going around you?
I called you stupid.
Oh, you did?
I had
Did you
to.
really?
There's no you creep! You're not stupid now. You're just plain dumb stupid.